Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Xero at 2026. So at first you'll need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a Xero account, okay? So if not, you can go with the www.xero.com website and click on Try Xero for free. So we all need to fill the first name and the last name, also the email and the phone number. Then just select your location and check mark both of these options and then go with next confirmation. Okay, so actually we will go with our region, okay, and let's go with the confirmation. So right now, as you can see, you will need to verify your account. So you'll need to click on the link in the email to verify your account. So you'll need to go back to your email and then you will be able to explore the features of Xero. Okay. So after the verification, you will need to enter your business name right here, and then the industry, the country, also the last day of your financial year. Right here, you will need to answer if you have employees. So for example, we go with yes, and then we'll go with order, and yeah, let's go with start trial, okay, or buy now. So after signing in, you will need to get a connector app. So for example, you can go with Shopify, then settings on the left hand menu, and after that just go with apps from here, go with Shopify App Store, and then just click on the search bar and look for E2X. Okay, so that's the app. Install it. Okay, and confirm the installation, and then just sign up with your Google or with your Xero account, and this way you connected your Xero account with Shopify by going or by using a third-party tool. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.